welcome back. Right now I'm unboxing our Enfamil, the Wonder Box. So you can get this by signing up at Enfamil. Trying to look if there's a package on here or a website on here. But I want to say it's just signing up for the Enfamil rewards or something. It's, if I remember right on their website, it's pretty easy. You just click join. I'll put more information on that in the video description for full details on how to join. We also have a blog post detailing how we got all of our baby freebies, including the registry welcome boxes and bags and things like that. That's all in the video description. Also, there'll be a link in the cards. I don't remember which side they're on, so forgive me for that, but full details on how to get it there. But I want to say it was very easy. You just had to provide an email and your address. You don't need to buy anything to get this, but with that, we'll go ahead and open it up. So first things first, this is a fairly big box. It's about twice the size of the Similac box. I'm not going to compare it to just the registry welcome boxes because totally different things, but I will have a total price breakdown on the blog post as well. However, this one, comparing to the Similac welcome box, it's about twice the size, just in box sizes. I'll put those side by side quick just so you can see. Similac and Enfamil. And there's a link down below too if you want to check out the Similac one if you prefer that. We went with both because I don't know which we'll use. I'm not entirely sure if we'll even use formula, but it's nice to have these on hand so we can try out a few different ones once baby's here. So when we open it, it just has like a little gifting thing here. And then if I open this, we have all sorts of coupons. So we have 9 free meals from HelloFresh. Which if you do that is a great deal. We've kind of looked at this before and it's harder to pick out meals for our particular allergens. We have to be egg-free and gluten-free, but I think this is a really good deal if you don't have a lot of allergies in your household. So 9 free meals there. And then if we go through this, it just kind of looks like different support items and food, just different products from Upspring, and it has a coupon code for $20 off a $40 purchase and free shipping. So that's kind of a helpful little coupon there. And then get into these coupons, which look very similar to the ones that come in the Similac. Custom pacifiers, $30 off, pregnancy pillow, $50. Canopy Couture, $50, nursing pillow, $40, baby leggings, $50, Little Wonders, $60, and then if we flip it around, we have udder covers, $35, ruffle buns, $60, Eskimo Kids is $35, 7 Baby is $40, custom snappies is $50, and breast pads is $35. So there's a few different ones on here. I want to say Eskimo Kids wasn't on the Similac one. Or, because I don't remember, but I'll compare those. Either way, these they say gift cards, and you can enter them like gift cards, but they're not valid towards shipping. So if I remember right, I've looked at these before because I've gotten similar ones in other welcome bags. You can get free items with these, however you just have to pay for shipping. But usually that's somewhere between $5 and $10, $5.95. or $9.95, but you can get some really high quality products, and like I said, there's nursing pillows, and I want to say you can even get like the full-size body pillows if you're still pregnant and looking for something to provide more comfort. But then we'll go on to some other items here. So this looks like just kind of a guide. So it's actually called Enfamil Family Beginnings. There's an app that gives you instructions on how to do that if you want to use the app. Otherwise, you can just join online. And it looks like they just walk you through some of their different formulas here. So there's a lot of different ones. They can help you decide what's best for you. And then bottle feeding they can give you bottle feeding tips. And what is this? Preparing bottle safely, more bottle feeding tips, storage instructions, and then guidelines for age-appropriate feedings, like the amounts and how often. And then your immunization chart. So just kind of helpful information to have on hand. There's also baby bowel movements. They say a lot nicer. I was going to say baby poop colors. Kind of a helpful guide. Even if you're not going to use formula, it might be nice to keep this guide on hand just because it's got some of the different information there. Then it also comes with a coupon. So this one has $80 in savings in coupons. The Similac one has $25, just to kind of compare. So if we open this up, it's $5 off any Enfamil vitamin product, so vitamins. $5 off any Enfamil Nutramigen product. So I want to say that's formula. $5 off formula. So if we actually count these up, I suppose you could do 80 divided by 5 would be 18. So 17 $5 coupons off formula and one $5 coupon off a vitamin product. So you can redeem it online or in store. It works kind of like a check, I believe. So that's a pretty good coupon pack if you end up going with Enfamil. Then we actually get into the contents of this. So this is just a card to show what's in the infant formula. Then it comes with 2 of these premixed infant formulas. It looks like they're like 40 or 59 milliliters or 2 ounces. So 0 to 12 months infant formula. Do not add water. They're just ready to use. So it comes with 2 of those, and then it actually comes with a nipple that'll fit right on there. Then this one comes with 3 canisters. Just for perspective, the Similac one came with 2 and none of the infant formula. And I believe for Enfamil you could choose, there was 3 or 4 different options, whether you wanted the closest to breast milk, if you had food allergies, if you had upset stomachs. We went with kind of the more sensitive one. So we got this infant formula that's, I think this one's pretty common in all of the boxes, but it's inspired by breast milk. Set that one down. We also got the Enfamil Gentlease for gas, fussiness, and crying, 0 to 12 month. And then this one actually comes with the infant formula that has the A2 protein. So it's milk based, but it is lactose free, I want to say, is the A2. A2 beta casein, which is similar to that found in breast milk. But I know A2 is for people who have more trouble digesting milk. So it might be easier to digest if you have a sensitivity, anything like that. I don't necessarily see on here like gluten-free or anything. Not that I don't know that there's many babies that need to be gluten-free, but just something to keep in mind if you're supplementing this in addition to breast milk and you have any kind of allergies. You may want to bottle feed depending on how sensitive you are. If you have skin reactions, just something to keep in mind. And they might be, I'm just not going to take the time to look through them all right now because it's already a super long video. Thank you for sticking with me. Anyway, they also, so comes with a free trial. I don't know if you can read this, but free trial with up to $400 in savings, supposedly. And then you get expert information. They also have on here, I don't know that it says how you redeem, but I know if you earn points for every Enfamil product you buy. I don't know if that's like you enter the UPC or if you have to buy it from their website, but you can earn points and then you get free formula back or other Enfamil products. So it's good overall. Like I said, this one is completely free to sign up for. I'll put the link down below if you're interested in that. Even if you're not sure that you'll be using formula, because a lot of us don't know yet, unless you've already had the baby and you know 100% that you're doing formula, then it'd definitely be worthwhile. But I would recommend doing it even if you're not sure yet, just because it's nice to have on hand. These don't expire for a year, so we will just have these kind of on hand, and then if you have to use supplement with formula, you don't have to buy the huge canisters that they have at the store. These are a little bit smaller than the ones you get at the store, but they're very good for trial size. So we should be able to try out several different kinds to find what's working best for our baby. And you get all of these other kind of freebies with it too, and the coupons. So if you end up going with formula, you might as well save the $75, $80 that they send you. If you like this, don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, check out our blog post on all of the other baby freebies you can get, whether that's registry welcome boxes, the Similac welcome box, anything like that. And thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.